Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial on how to create a simple REST API for user login and logout using Python Flask. Step 1. Set up Flask environment. First, you need to install Flask by running the following command in your terminal. Step 2. Create the Flask app. Create a new file named app.py and set up a basic Flask app structure. Step 3. Testing the API. You can test the API using a tool like Postman. Send a post request to http://127.0.0.1:5000/login with the following JSON data. You should receive a response with the message login successful. To test the logout endpoint, send a post request to http://127.0.0.1:5000/logout. This is a basic example of how you can implement user login and logout functionality in a Flask REST API. In a production environment, you would typically use more secure methods for handling user authentication, such as token-based authentication.